started contemplating in my head, is it possible for me to build a drone that can carry me? So I started studying. I was looking at a lot of sports cars. That's why I was always a fan of Supercar Blondie. And alongside, I was doing my filming every chance